Hey guys, today I'm going to share with you how to make coconut curry shrimp. And this is a flavor-packed meal that's also very quick and easy. It has shrimp and bell peppers in a creamy coconut sauce that's so delicious. You serve it over some rice and top it with some fresh cilantro. You guys won't be able to stop eating it. Okay, so first things first, here I have about a pound of shrimp. Shrimp is just a great alternative when it comes to curry. Usually I cook curry with meat, but it's also really delicious with shrimp. I did cook this dish before with salmon instead of shrimp for my dad because my dad is allergic to shrimp and he raved about how delicious it was. So you know it's gonna be flavorful. So I'm just gonna season the shrimp with some salt and pepper. And the shrimp I am using today are 1620s. So that means there are about 16 to 20 pieces of shrimp per pound. That's a good size shrimp. And then I bought them already peeled and they have the tail on. This is the way they just came, so I'm just gonna leave the tail on. But if you do buy them peeled, you wanna just go ahead and peel them. So I usually just buy whatever's on sale or whatever's on special at the grocery store. If peeled is on sale, buy peeled. If unpeeled is on sale, buy unpeeled. Whatever is on special and saves you more money. So now I'm gonna slice up one red bell pepper. Like I mentioned in my other videos, red is best when it comes to bell peppers. I just love the color and it's the most tastiest and the most sweetest among all the other bell peppers. So I'm just gonna go ahead and give it a slice. And this is a great meal when it comes to busy weeknights. I did make this for my hubby also when I had a girls' night dinner. And I just wanted to make this also because it was just really quick and easy to whip up before I went out. And I did not feel bad that I got to enjoy a night out with my girlfriends and eat a dinner at the restaurant because he had a restaurant quality dinner right at home. Okay, you guys. I realized I just got carried away and I told you guys I was gonna slice up the bell peppers and I accidentally diced them up. It happens. I have an extra bell pepper in the fridge, but it's not red. You know what? Because these were two small bell peppers, I'm gonna add 2 bell peppers in this dish. Usually I'll just add 1 red one, but because they're small, I mean 2 is not gonna hurt. I don't know, I think it's because I am a mom and we are just in charge of so many things that my brain just goes on autopilot. At least that's what my husband says. Because there will be times when I'll be putting dishes away when my kids or my husband are still using it. I don't know, I think we're just like always thinking ahead. Anyways, I do have 1 onion that I'm gonna go ahead and give it a slice. And I'm gonna remember to slice them up, not dice them. Okay, so now I'm gonna show you guys the rest of the ingredients that we're gonna be needing for our curry. And what I love about this recipe is that there's no surprise ingredients. You should be able to find everything at your local grocery store. So we are gonna be needing some minced garlic. I have a 14-ounce can, well 13.5-ounce can of coconut milk. You wanna get the full fat coconut milk, not coconut cream, coconut milk. And it's just gonna make it nice and creamy. And then I'm also going to use some curry powder. So you wanna get some good tasting curry powder. I'm also going to be using 2 tablespoons of brown sugar. I have 2 tablespoons of fish sauce. You wanna do this more or less to taste. It has a really salty, intense flavor. So you wanna do this to taste. And then I'm also gonna add some cornstarch at the end. We're gonna mix this with a little bit of water, add it to the sauce to get it nice and thick. And when we're done cooking, we're gonna top it off with some fresh chopped cilantro. It's gonna give it some nice fresh flavor. All right, you guys, we are ready to get cooking. Let's head over to the stove. All right, so I've got my pan heated over medium-high heat. I'm going to add some oil and I'm gonna cook the shrimp. All right, so I'm gonna cook the shrimp until they are completely cooked through. This will take about 1.5 minutes per side. All right, so it's been about a minute. Just gonna go ahead and flip these guys over. All right, so I'm gonna add a little bit more oil to the pan along with all of our veggies. I'm also gonna add in our garlic. I'm also gonna add a little pinch of salt, not too much, because remember we have our fish sauce going in here. And then I'm gonna cook it down until the veggies are slightly softened. So this will take about 4 minutes. And I'm just gonna add a teeny bit of water here just to release those brown bits from the bottom of the pan. All right, so our veggies are now slightly softened. It is time to grab our coconut milk. And like I mentioned earlier, make sure to get the full fat coconut milk to give it the most optimal flavor and creaminess. Go ahead and add that right in. And we are also going in with 2 teaspoons of curry powder. 2 tablespoons of brown sugar, 2 tablespoons of fish sauce. So just give everything a stir and bring everything to a boil. All right, so now that everything has come to a boil, I'm gonna lower the heat to medium-low and let it simmer for 5 minutes. All right, you guys, it's been simmering for about 5 minutes. Now it is time to add in our cornstarch mixture. I mixed a little bit of water with the cornstarch just so it can easily blend into the sauce. If you don't want to add the cornstarch, you don't have to. I like this dish to be a little bit more on the thicker side, well, the sauce to be on the thicker side, rather than more looser, liquidy. And then you want to just bring everything back to a boil for it to thicken. And I'm also going to add in the cooked shrimp. And you want to go ahead and taste for seasonings. And it's pretty much done. What did I promise you guys? Super quick and easy, yet not skimping on flavor. This is so flavorful. I really wish I didn't dice those bell peppers. They would have been really pretty in this dish if they were cut into strips. Oh well, it happens. I went ahead and garnished it with some chopped cilantro and some red pepper flakes. But there you have it, you guys. Coconut curry shrimp, definitely a restaurant quality dish. All right, you guys, I have my bowl of rice ready and I am super excited for the taste test. And I feel like this dish was like a stir-fry dish. It was super quick and easy. I'm gonna go ahead and scoop some of the shrimp with the delicious sauce all over the rice. And I did garnish it with the chopped cilantro and the red pepper flakes just for the photos. But if you're gonna serve this, I would have them on the side because you don't know if people want some extra heat from the pepper and if they don't like cilantro, I don't know. But you'll get a little bit, like the teeniest kick from the curry powder. But I like to have a little more heat with the red pepper flakes. All right, you guys, I have a complete bite. It has the veggies, the sauce, the shrimp, rice. Let's go in. Cheers, you guys. This is really so flavorful. I know I say that all the time, but really it's just so flavorful. You've got the coconut milk with the curry powder. Make sure to use a really good curry powder with the fish sauce and a little bit of brown sugar. The flavors all just works together. And then the shrimp is, you know, it's shrimp. I love shrimp. It's so delicious. Make this for your family. I promise they're gonna love it. Anyways, thank you for spending time with me in my kitchen. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you like this recipe, please give me a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button. That will definitely help me out. And I'll see you guys on the next one. Take care.